Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix we couldn't verify that this account belongs to you on Cash App. So guys, let's start about wasting your precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to fix this type of issue. So first of all guys, you can find we couldn't verify that this account belongs to you. It means you are not entering the correct information. So just simply have to enter the correct information like your PIN or your cash tag or your email address. Okay guys, just simply have to enter the correct things and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then it means your account is already logged in another device. Okay guys, so just simply have to log out the account from other device and then try to log in your account again, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is there guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to close the switch. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the Cash app again. So guys, if you have another account, just simply have to sign in another account. Okay guys, and then you can easily contact with the Cash App support team. If you don't have, then you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply have to search for Cash App support. So let me search for the Cash App support. So for me guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. And now from guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to this website, and after that guys, you can easily find the number of Cash App support team, and then you can easily contact with them to resolve your issue. If it's still not working, then you have to restart your device, and if you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa, and then you can easily fix your issue. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.